Back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a V2Ray slow DNS config file and set it up on the HTTP custom app for a faster and more secure internet connection. If you've been searching for a reliable way to boost your internet speed, you're in the right place. And before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Let's start by creating the V2Ray slow DNS config file. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type 12.5 Tech Online and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official 12.5 Tech website. This site is where we'll be generating our slow DNS server configuration. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu button, which is usually found at the top corner of the page. Click on it to open a list of options. From the menu, select Slow DNS Config. A drop-down list will appear. Here, choose V2Ray Slow DNS Config. After selecting it, you'll be redirected to a page containing a list of HTTP custom V2Ray Slow DNS config files. Choose the latest one available, then click on it. Hit the download button and the file will be saved to your device in just a few seconds. Next, let's set up the config file on the HTTP custom app. Head over to your device's Play Store and search for HTTP custom. Once you find it, tap Install and wait for the app to finish downloading. Open the app once installed and you'll be taken directly to the home page. On the home page, click the plus button. A pop-up window will appear. Select Open Config. This will open your Downloads folder. Locate the V2Ray Slow DNS config file you downloaded earlier, then tap on it. The file will be imported into the app within a few seconds. Now, all that's left to do is press the Connect button. Once connected, you'll have access to a faster, more secure internet connection using the V2Ray Slow DNS setup on HTTP Custom. And that's it! You've successfully created and connected a V2Ray Slow DNS config file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.